We were so excited to unveil group play for the first time ever at the Piano Marvel Teacher Conference this past June of 2024. At the time, it was only available on computers, and it has since been released to iPad and iPhone, and we are getting ready to release it to Android. We're expecting the Android app to be available in January of 2025. Cross your fingers, we hope that happens at that time. The other thing that you might want to know is how to engage this. If you don't see it, you can actually hide it or show it in your group menu. If you go under Menu, Preferences, and then select Group Play and then just turn it on, you'll see this little orange icon, and this icon, you just click on it and it shows you how to get started. The other thing you can do with this, you could play it in group like this, you see, but you can also do it online, and it will sync the same exact time across unlimited number of students. We haven't actually tested how many you could do it on. One of the amazing things about this technology is one computer controls the entire classroom, and they're not connected with any cable. Notice when I change the volume, these other two computers respond at the exact same time, all wirelessly. I can change the tempo. I can select just one section. When you hit start, all three of them line up. Then you also get scores, which you can turn on and off. I'll show you how to do that. Just click on the little share scores. Now the entire class can see everybody's score. Let's jump right in and show it in a classroom. Okay, everybody, I am going to have you join the group play. So type in the code N542.
How do we get to group play?
Go to your dashboard.
So I'm going to start you on the count of three. Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, set, go.
What's your scores? Nice. Everybody's pretty good. We're going to try the next song. Here we go. This song is Give My Regards to Broadway. Da 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 dum. Here we go.
1, 2, set, go.
Fantastic.
1, 2, set, go.
Brand new. I have a song that I wrote called Blood Moon Rising. Let's see if I can find it here.
1, 2, set, go.
Up to this point, we have seen me running group play from my phone. However, my preferred way to do that is from another station where I'm playing along with the students. So let's go ahead and take a look at what this looks like. So the new session code you can enter is 449G. This will allow me to kind of run it from a piano and I can play along with you guys.
1, 2, set, go.
Who's got primo? Okay, I think it's time. Let's do a stress test and see how many people can join a single session.